Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off night shift on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings.
Then in the settings, scroll down and find the display and brightness, then tap. Then after that, in the display and brightness, scroll down again and find the night shift, then tap. Then after that, in the night shift, find the scheduled, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to turn on or enable. When the scheduled is enabled, the night shift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night's sleep. And if you want to turn off or disable, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off night shift on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.